Yeah.
This is your flashlight. No, I already have a flashlight. Oh, Amy. It turns on.
Can you turn yours off, Finn? Thank you. Good job.
It's off.
Yeah, that's good.
It says
What else is in there?
it's a candy can.
Candy can.
And these are for later. And the other candy canes
Finn.
are for later too. Oh no.
Liam, what did you get?
What did you get, Liam?
Candy can.
Finn, keep looking in your bag.
There's more in there.
He's like, yeah, but I have my candy can. That's all that matters.
You open this?
Go look in your stocking somewhere. Go look in your bag.
It is. Oh. There's that in there.
What is that?
Also this.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are all treats that you guys aren't allowed to have normally, huh?
See, this says love. It says I eat
It says you eat it?
it. Yeah. I eat this.
Can you sit down and look at what else is in there?
Oh, the bottom off. Hey, butter.
I want you to put it down and look through what else you have.
I dumped all mine out.
I suppose this is the benefit of being one of those parents that doesn't let your kids have anything. They get excited over like candy
Can
and
I pass
snack
this?
packs.
Can I pass this?
That's spicy.
Oh, I don't think you want that one.
That's a hot candy. It'll burn your mouth. Keep looking in your bag, dude.
This my favorite.
Sugar is everywhere. Finn is such a good boy. He's such a like a Huck Finn, Tom Sawyer like.
They're quiet now. They're just going
These
completely
are for
nuts.
Big Dog and me and Phil.
No,
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna eat those. I think you're gonna feed those to baby dog.
Matter of fact, you got some plastic in your mouth?
Huh?
It's for me.
Mm-hmm. Can you look in your bag for more?
Oh, well,
Oh my god, sticky plastic. Oh, but wait. Yeah, there you go. Because you're eating too much candy. What happens when you eat too much candy?
Hot candy. This is hot. This is hot.
Yeah.
And this is my gum. Mouth.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can
this
you
is-
look at the rest of your
This
stocking?
is Finn's gum. I look in here. I look inside here. These are mine.
Hey, that was Finn's.
Well, these are Finn's.
That's true. That is Finn's.
And those are mine.
Well, then switcheroo.
And this is Finn's gum. And this is my yo-yo and my goggles.
Can you put them on?
No, my yo-yo is in one.
I'll pull it out. Then you can put your goggles on.
Yeah, and they look big. But that doesn't matter to me. I like them big.
You are awesome. Look at Papa.
This is my gum.
Can you pick your nose? Best ever. Nope. Pants. Always on the pants. Oh, I understand. You're the greatest. Your teeth hurting? He looks like mole.